Hi parents, so today we are recommending 5 books which a toddler should be reading. So this is for ages 6 months to 12 months, that is till 1 year. Because they are small, they tend to, crumble the pages. We do not recommend paperbacks. We only recommend board books. So first up here is a pop-up book. So a pop-up book will be something like this, in which, an image will pop up. So now they can have a 3D effect of the animal. So now when you are making them learn about animals, they are going to see that okay, crocodile has a big mouth, lizard has a big tongue. So now they can relate of whatever they are reading. So this is one of the book which the children are really hooked up. So see, books are not toys, so they are not going to automatically come and start reading book. We have to make it interesting for them to pick it on their own as they pick their toys. So while making these interesting characters coming to life, we can make them read books. Second would be the book which has a rhyme attached to it, or a book which you can sing along book. For example, this one is from Old MacDonald's. So this has cutouts. Again, this is a board book, and when you open, you can actually read along the rhyme or the story or the song. Okay, so this one is a little bit broken because my child loves it a lot and he has used it a lot of time, and I have put a binder also, but it's not helping. Okay, third one is introduction to colors. Very, very important. And this is not just a introduction to colors. This is a 2-in-1 book wherein you can touch and feel. For example, this is a touch which is very soft. Okay, and the second would be a furry. Now here will be a paper craft. So you are introducing your child to colors as well as making them touch. So that is going to enhance the sensory. So this is basically a sensory book. So there are cuttings of paper here. You can see. Again, this book is in a bad condition now because I let him explore the book now. There was a time I used to keep this book very in a good condition, but now since he's used it for so many times, this means that you are purchasing a book, or you are renting it, or you are buying a pre-loved book. You are using it to the max. This is the sign that you are using it. It's not just kept in the shelf, or not just increasing the number of books in your library. Fourth one here will be a book which has a music. So you can put the batteries here. Book which can talk, that is a talking book. That means, for example, if you press here, the sound will come. They will speak about the letters. You have a volume button which can increase or decrease the volume. There's a read button wherein if you just press the read button, it will read the whole page altogether. So this is one of the very important books because it will develop the audio skills. They'll start understanding, listening, enjoying the rhymes. The last page herein has a rhyme, so that whatever rhyme we say in our mother tongue or English language, they will be listening to the audio and they'll be enjoying it a lot. And the last one, but very, very important, is a cushion book. So a cushion book has a lot of pages, and you can introduce to vehicles, to flowers, and the best part is, again, it is non-tearable. It cannot be torn, and this can be folded and used as a cushion. So you can keep this. You don't have to keep this in a rack or something. You can keep it always in the bed. It is easily accessible. It is soft. They can actually use it to sleep also. So please comment and I will share you the link for all these 5 books. Thank you. Bye. Happy parenting.